What's growing on? So what's up, guys? I hope everybody is happy and well and safe. This is my first video, so we've been on kind of like this quarantine lockdown situation. I'm sure it's a lot of stress for everybody. I will say that it's been kind of even getting to me a little bit. I've realized there's some things around here we could be doing a little better. There's some things around here, you know, power-wise, energy-wise, growing-wise, that I could even do better with. So we're really kind of stepping up our game around the farm. But this video is kind of about the online nursery. I'm really trying to get you guys a lot of relevant footage with what's going on right now. I've got all kinds of video ideas, and I'm hoping to get you more and more videos here going forward. And I guess I wanted to touch on a couple of things here real quick. Number one, for those of you wondering who's editing my videos now, you know, I have a new friend, my buddy Robbie, and I've had a couple of people, my good buddy Mike Johnson, my good buddy Lennon, that have helped me with editing. But Melissa doesn't do the editing anymore, so I've been subcontracting out the editing. I pay somebody to edit. You know, I've recently knocked out a couple of big jobs, and the people that follow me on Instagram are like, when is the video coming? When is the video coming? And to be honest with you, I didn't film those jobs. I mean, it is a lot of work to pick up this camera. During the projects, I didn't feel the necessity like I do here during this pandemic per se. So I'm gonna try to get you more, less edited videos. I spend a lot of money editing these videos. You guys know I try to bring you some high quality footage, you know, top of the line stuff. And right now, we're not going out doing installs. We're not banging out these big projects because I don't want to be traveling and staying in weird places and dealing with getting groceries at weird places. There's multiple reasons for that. So, you know, right now we're doing a ton of nursery sales. I just opened my online store again, doing lots of no contact pickup, lots of no contact delivery. And this stuff is, you know, it's bringing in money. It's keeping the payroll going. It's kind of just barely covering the overhead, but at the end of the day, my bread and butter, you know, is my installation work. So I would love to shift it in more of a online base, more of a nursery base, and make this more profitable. And that's what I am kind of trying to looking at and focusing on. We're just not there yet. So those of you that enjoy my videos, those of you that want to see more videos, please don't forget I have a Patreon. The more of you that support these videos, the more videos you're gonna see. And that's strictly to the point of what it costs me for editing. What I make off of my YouTube monetization literally goes out every month in editing fees. My time, my equipment, all of that, that's just a labor of love. I do enjoy making these videos. I do enjoy giving you guys this information. So know that I love doing this for you. The nursery is, I'm struggling to keep things in stock. You can see we've gotten most of our plants all up off the ground on pallets. The only thing I have to do is 3 rows on this side. And the main reason for that is I'm shipping to California now, Arizona, Texas. We have our nematode certification. So everything has to be up off the ground 24 inches for that. And you can see that I'm really focusing on a lot of smaller material to keep the cost down of shipping. These are all different varieties of 1-gallon mulberries. I'm even looking to start doing more 4-inch stuff going forward. And I'm doing lots of big changes around here. I actually got another exciting video right after this one to kind of show you guys. I mean, moringa, longevity spinach, new passion fruit. You know, we've got lots of seed coming up, and this is just one of the 3 nurseries. We're actually in the process of expanding the nurseries on the farm. These are special cuttings, rare Japotacaba seeds, mostly perennial vegetables in this area. We've got the Thai pepper leaf, the lalat, skinny leaf edible leaf hibiscus. They call that the Chief Kubos. Kiko's crump, that's another edible leaf hibiscus. Lots of different varieties of chaya, bacopa, some basil, some Lagos spinach, longevity spinach I can't even keep in stock, Thai ginseng, variegated jewels of opar, and sisu spinach. So, you know, this video really isn't about what I have in stock here in the nursery, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I know tons of people have asked me, please open the online store again. I probably won't be doing the food forest in a box. I actually did my first shipment yesterday. We opened the online store about 2 weeks ago. I sent out 30 orders, probably 200 plants. I really forgot how much work that online store is, how much work it is in pulling the plants, drying the plants out, packing the plants, getting the plants to UPS. So I'm gonna be running the numbers on that. I haven't really done that in the past. I know it wasn't very profitable the first time. I might have to raise the prices a little bit, but I can promise you the online store will stay open. The biggest thing in this whole plant shipping business is time. So it takes a lot of time to get those plants out. It takes a lot of time to get them packed up properly. I'm sure you all have a clue, so it's not easy. There's my girl Ginger just kind of working away, but yeah, we are pretty well stocked. You can see I'm wiped out of my good bananas, and we're gonna go over to another nursery real quick. I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. You guys ready for that? Hold tight. Oh, so this is the back of the house. I usually don't get this in videos, but you can see we are propagating as quickly as we can. Thankfully, I have two awesome nursery ladies. Katarina, can we get a hello? Hey. Selena, uh-oh. Hello. So you can see they're working hard over here. We cannot keep up with propagation, so we're trying to keep these plants coming as quickly as they're going out. Over here on the other side, I can't even keep soil mix on the ground, so I have a new slab. We're gonna be putting that on here shortly. I've had to buy pots because of how quickly they're going out, and I wanna show you guys what's going on over here. Hold tight. All right, so what's big and exciting going on over here? I guess I could start with, I really wanna thank my edible landscaper friends from the East Coast, Joshua, Jack, you know, these guys that are doing edible landscaping have been inspired by my videos. They're coming over here and they're buying a lot of their plants, and I've had huge orders going out to these guys and try to give them a little discount when they're buying a lot of stuff like that. But I think it's awesome that they'll drive all the way across the state. You know, it's only like 2 hours to get here. It's 3 hours to get to Homestead. So, you know, we have literally become the one-stop shop. You know, there's nowhere else you could go in the state of Florida for these permaculture plants, for these plants that bring in the beneficial and the predatory insects, you know, for all these different edible plants, fruit trees. The one thing that we don't have that maybe some of these more southern nurseries have are the really ultra tropical stuff. And I'm just not going to bring those in anymore. You know, it's a big risk going into the winter. Right now we're going in summer, so I'll probably bring some more mangoes in. I guess something else before I forget, I mentioned I had plants online. You all have been asking for the shirt, the hat. I even have those on my online store. So if anybody wants to get some merch, put the description down below, or put it in the description down below. You can get a hat, you can get a shirt now. So that's kind of exciting. But here's the nursery. Everything is crushing it. I got a new Chico variety of peanut. That's a new patented variety just released. I'm super excited about that. Salvias, everything are flowered out right now. Society garlic, dwarf sweet almond, new variety. I even have a variegated society garlic, all my figs, caliandras, firebush, perennial pentas, goldenrod, cranberry hibiscus, elderberry, Fakahatchee grass, vetiver grass, sugar cane, lemongrass, you name it, we got plants. We're definitely planted up in here, and one of the big issues I've had in this nursery has been my staining on the plants with the iron. We don't have the greatest water here. Now it's unfortunate, you're sucking water out of the ground and it's not pure, but this stuff really tends to do some damage on my plants depending on the time of the year, depending on the rainy season. It's really hard to tell when it's going to be good, when it's going to be bad, and it just destroys the plants within a couple of weeks. So I made a huge splurge. I got a company coming in to put an air injection system into my well. They only handle nurseries. I'm going to fix all this iron in the water this year. And with that being said, I've been kind of holding off on expanding this nursery until I had good water on this side. This is our 5-acre addition. We didn't buy this originally with the property. We are on 12 acres here in Central Florida for those that don't follow me. So we have a decent sized piece of land, you know, nothing too crazy. But I am getting ready to do some expansion. You ready for that? Hold on. What I wanted to show you guys was the nursery ends right here, and you know, got a fire pit over here. We're cleaning that out today because I just picked up more black mat. I just picked up more wobbler heads. Like I said, we're getting the filter put in. This nursery is going to come from where it ends now to about 8 foot from the fence, pretty much about that trailer whip so we can get a golf cart by. So going to be adding about another 6,000 square foot of nursery mat over here. And I'm going to actually move the shade nursery to the other side of this green fence in my next kind of expansion. So expanding the nursery, we're getting a little bit bigger here. We're trying to hold more plants. You guys want to see one of these sunshine mimosas? They are sick. So look at the flowers on this nitrogen fixer. Sunshine mimosa. So this is a sensitive plant. This is a nitrogen fixing ground cover. Mimosa strigilosa. This is native here in Florida. I'm gonna set this down, hold on. The perennial peanut has edible flowers. And that's just one of many beautiful plants we have. We actually have an updated plant list now on our website. Like I said, we're offering no contact pickup, no contact delivery, and we're shipping. So we're trying to get these plants out to everybody. I've got lots of cool informational videos in the hopper right now. Jim might even be here for the summer. I'm gonna get some cool videos with Jim talking about what he's gonna do, you know, what he's planting, what he plans on eating this summer. It's not something that he's used to doing down here in Florida. So hold tight, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Please share it with a friend. Most importantly, y'all know how we do. Pound dirt.